In this video, I'm going to share 6 incredible, easy and passive methods to earn money that have earned many people over $100,000. What is great is that you don't need any prior experience or investment to get started. And the best part is that you can spend less than 30 minutes a day on these methods, making them 99% passive. If you have been following my channel, welcome back. You know I'm all about creating online income streams that anyone can tap into from anywhere in the world, especially in Africa. And if you are new here, do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So let me show you how you can have multiple side hustles in the simplest ways possible, allowing you to generate income even while you sleep. The first method is by selling your Instagram account. So first of all, we are going to go to this website called likeforlike.org, and there are many other websites similar to this. This is a clever method to earn passive income from anywhere in the world. This platform will reward you with points for engaging with other people's social media posts. So whenever you like other people's posts on Instagram, you're going to accumulate points, which later on you can exchange it for followers or likes. Once you build your Instagram account with like for like, you're going to sell your Instagram account with websites like FameSwap or Social Tradia. You'll be surprised by the amount of people that are selling their Instagram accounts on this website and the amount of people that are actually buying this Instagram account. One tip I will give you is to focus on niche markets like fitness, relationship, or personal finance for your Instagram account, because accounts in these niches often attract higher prices due to their engaged audience. Also, make sure to consistently post while using like for like so that your Instagram account can look like it has a quality content. The second method on how you can make money online passively is by transcription. There is this website called GoTranscript. It is available worldwide and it is beginner friendly. Here you can earn money by transcribing, captioning, and subtitling audio files. It is a flexible gig that you can do from anywhere in the world, earning anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per minute audio. You can also use a website called Otter.ai to automate the transcription process. You will upload your audio file on Otter.ai and it will transcribe it for you for free. And then you can quickly review and edit the transcript. This will allow you to save a lot of time while making money online. The next way on how you can make money online is by doing simple tasks. There is this website called guru.com. It is a great platform for earning passive income. It is similar to Upwork and Fiverr, but with a unique twist. You can earn money by proofreading text, and with tools like ChatGPT, you can streamline the process even further. My tip will be to offer additional services on guru.com, such as content enhancement or plagiarism checking to stand out in the competitive market. Use ChatGPT to quickly generate these additional value-added services, saving time while making your offerings more attractive to potential clients. Also, create a professional portfolio showcasing some of your work and maybe even fake client testimonials. This will help you attract higher paying clients. Also, set up automated workflows using tools like Zapier to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up more of your time. The next way on how you can make money online is by making websites. But of course, we are not actually going to make our own websites or people's websites. We are going to use a cheat code, which is AI. So you're going to use this AI called 10web.io to build you a website. This AI powered platform allows you to build professional websites in minutes. You can then sell your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for a lot of money. My tip will be to specialize in creating specific types of websites, for example, e-commerce, blogs, or portfolio sites. By focusing on a niche, you can market yourself as an expert, even though you know nothing about websites or even building them. But that will allow you to charge higher rates and attract more clients. Also, you can offer website maintenance packages as an upsell. The next side hustle is by podcast editing. Lately, a lot of creators want to start their own podcast, but they also need editors. And podcast editing is a lucrative side hustle, with some sellers charging up to $300 per edit. But that, you will use tools like cleanvoice.ai to make the process quick and easy for you, allowing you to deliver top-notch edits in minutes. That way you'll impress the clients, and you can even write in your portfolio that you can deliver amazing work in just minutes. My tip will be to offer bundle services such as podcast editing, transcription, and others using the same tricks. And the last side hustle is scripting. Finally, if you're looking to create your own YouTube content, you can use tools like Script AI and 11 Labs, which will help you generate scripts and voiceovers with ease. You don't have to use your own voice or even appear on camera. These AI tools will do everything for you. My tip will be to create a content calendar to ensure consistent posting. Regularly engaging content keeps your audience coming back and increases your channel's growth. Additionally, I will advise you to stick on a niche. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until next time. And if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe with the notifications on. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.